All right, everyone, and welcome to week six. Sorry. Um, so excited about it. It is all the way downhill for you guys now. All right, you have 2 weeks left. You've done the hardest part of the class, so not to worry. You are on your way. If you pass that, you pass the hardest part of the class. Now you're just gonna do this week a simple animation, and I made it very simple because animation is really hard. So I want you to go easy on yourself and to set up yourself for winning and not losing. That's very important. And then the last week you'll do your mesh optimization and finalization, as well as taking your test, which is very easy. So in week 6 this week, you're gonna animate a 3D loop for your 3D object. Okay, animation is gotta be the hardest part of art for video game because of all the constraints that exist due to the game engine and the hardware of the console or the computer. So because of that, it is very important that you really follow all the information and that you read about everything and do all the labs. Okay, there is a special ball bouncing lab. If you click right here, it will take you to the ball bouncing page. Should. 1 second, maybe it's a download. Yeah, it's a download. Hold on a second. So you download that, right? And then you open that up, and it tells you what to do. All right, step by step. That one is that video. You can use any ball bouncing videos. That's fine with me. And it shows you everything how to do your animation. All right. After that, you have the video game print. You have a plate right here. This is the ball bouncing plate. If you want to use that one. The thing is, you have to be careful because some of them you might not have the proper codec, so don't email me back with the, hey, I can't open it up. It is not my fault, it's just you don't have the proper AVI codec. You will have to go fetch the proper AVI codec for that plate. I try to make it the codec that everybody can see, but it's not always the case, especially if you're on Macintosh and Apple's product, okay? So after that, you have the video game principles right here. And it is a lecture. So again, you save that and you can open that up and you will see the complete lecture PowerPoint. Starting right here. It's so pretty much animation works 2D and 3D. Alright, so I'll go through all the main rules, 60 frame, all those things that you need to do, alright, for your motion, even going in parts, alright, for 2D or 3D or 2D sprites, for example. All right, so look into that one, and then you have the most important part of the animation itself. The skill is the 12 principle of animation from Walt Disney. So you just open that up, and again, this is a lecture right here, and you save it, you open it, and you read about all the principles right here. Very, very important. I want you to use those principles during your project. Okay, then you have the keyframe and tween, which is explained to you what you need to do, how you make a keyframe and you make a tween. All right, you have frames, which has basically every different type of frame that you have without information, without motions, and then you have keyframes, which basically are frames with key information. You have it right here. All right, so it's very important you go through that, and tweens, which is between keyframes. All right, and key poses. So look into that, start learning how to do it, and after that do the ball bouncing lab. Okay, and now after that look at how to make a seamless animation for your prop. All right, so same thing again. This is the video this time. There you go. So you can, sorry. There you go. So this is how it shows exactly how to do the animation in Maya itself. I did it as a video, so it's a little bit more expressive for you guys to understand. I can see that from you like better videos than anything else. All right, I do too actually sometimes, especially visual art like that. It's very important. Okay, so project six, sorry, you have to animate your prop the way of the video game principle, the 12 principle of animation, and make sure it's a seamless loop. It's that simple. All right. I hope you'll have fun. You are right there. So finish it up. You will have a 3D model that is modeled, textured, and animated, ready for a video game. That's pretty good. All right, take it easy. Don't forget to post your work in the Project 6 Dropbox, on the Blackboard, and in the discussion board. Thank you.